Good morning, everyone. Class 11, Subject Biology, Chapter 15. Chapter 15. Chapter 15, Plant Growth and Development. Chapter 15, Plant Growth and Development. Next, plant growth and development. Root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, seeds. ऑर्डरली मैनर इन प्लांट्स, ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है? प्लांट्स. द सीक्वेंस of growth is as follows. Plant complete their vegetative phase, move into reproductive phase, flowers, fruits, forms continuations of life cycle of plant. Plant growth develop in the sum of two process growth and differentiations. Intrinsic and extrinsic factors control the process of growth and development in plants. Seed, seedling, plantlets, mature plant, flowering plants. Growth is a permanent and irreversible increase in dry weight, size, mass, or volume of cell, organ, or organism. It is internal of intrinsic in living being. In plants, growth is accomplished by cell division, increase in cell number, cell enlargement. Growth is quantitative phenomenon which can be measured in relation to time. Plant growth is generally indeterminate due to capacity of unlimited growth throughout the life. Meristem tissues are present at the certain locality of plant body. The plant growth in which new cells are always being added to plant body due to meristem is called open form of growth. Root apical meristem and shoot apical meristem responsible for primary growth and elongations of plant body along the axis. Intercalary meristem located at nodes produce buds and new branches in plants. Next, shoot apical meristem. Shoot apical meristem. This part is shoot apical meristem, and this part is vascular cambium, and this is shoot root vascular cambium root apical meristem. Secondary growth in plants is the functions of lateral meristem, that is vascular cambium and core cambium. Growth measurable है at cellular level. Growth in the increase in amount of protoplasm. It is difficult to measure the increase in amount of protoplasm, but increase in cell number, cell size measure. The parameter used to measure growth increase fresh weight, dry weight, length, area, volume, cell number. All parameters are not used for every kinds of growth. Growth phases of growth. Formative phase of enlargement, phase of maturations. Formative phase is also called this phase of cell formation, cell divisions. It occur at root apex, shoot apex, other region having meristematic tissue. The rate respiration is very high. Cell undergoing mitosis division in formative phase. Phase of enlargement. Form cells produced in formative phase undergo enlargement. Enlarging cells also developed vacuoles that further increase the volume of cells. Cell enlargement occurs in all directions with maximum elongation in conducting fibers and tissues. Showing this the figure GFED करके. And next phase of maturation, the enlargement cell develop into special or particular types of cells by undergoing structural and physiological differentiations. Growth rate increase in growth per unit time is called growth rate. Growth rate may be arithmetic and geometrical. Arithmetic growth Arithmetic growth, the rates of constant increase, the growth occur in arithmetic progressions 2, 6, 8, so on. It is found in root shoot elongation. LT is equal to L0 plus RT, length after time, length at beginning, and growth rate x time arithmetic, and height of the plant arithmetic show in this the figure and time. Thank you class. We have next lecture continue this topic. Thank you again.